Mukuru w'ekitongore kya Vision Group Don Wanyama yaataayayira bamwe ba kasitoma ba TV West hamwe na Radio West omuri MBARARA n'ekigendererwa ky'okubasiima habw'okubashagika. Guyasiima ba kasitoma aba ahabw'obwesiga obu barikubateekamu.
I am here largely to interface with some of our partners who have supported us across our business for a long time. One of them, of course, being Kazire, with whom we've had a long-term partnership, business-wise, but also the proprietor, Dr. Kazire, is someone we use a lot to do medical education for our audiences.
Ekyokwehanaanjiriza abakozi ba TV West hamwe na Radio West okuba ekyokureeberaho nakyo tiyakisiga nyuma.
What we're challenging our teams to do is to be more responsive to the needs of the audiences. We do not want to just do things that impress us as the journalists, as the editors, as the managers. We must do things that the audiences ask for and that are of value to the audiences. So that is what is going to inform the philosophy of our programming.
Yaataayayirwa harimu Dr. Kazire wa Kazire Health Products, Dr. Karemo wa Evelyn School of Nursing hamwe na Day-to-Day Supermarket.
And I'm sure you won't manage that institution.
Yeah, we have good people here. So
people in MBARARA are very wonderful people.
Yeah, they're doing an amazing.
They do a very good job.
Yeah.
Eri nizo barukuru munonga magaragitu, especially executive director wa Vision Group yaataayayira nchitahamani
to know what is actually happening really back home. Okay, now that's how important the station in an area is. Yeah.
TV West has revolutionized the TV landscape in this part of the region. The programming has been very good, the news and everything. So we are here to celebrate basically.
Omwaka ogwo TV West eriyo neeyemurikira emyaka 10 omu buheereza bwayo. Aha bwa TV West ndi Era Akiza.